Hi, my name is Jonathan from lookinsideandbuy.com. We are a company specializing in video reviews of popular programs sold on the internet, but with one major difference. Let me explain. Do you sometimes wonder if reviewers have actually bought and tried out the programs for themselves first before doing the review? But we at lookinsideandbuy.com are different. First, we will purchase the programs and only then will we review them. Also, our style of reviewing is pretty informative to say the least. Check out the rest of the video to see exactly what I mean.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video review on Teds Woodworking. In this video I'll be buying this product and then giving you a preview of its contents. Teds Woodworking is by Ted McGrath, a professional woodworker, and it promises to help you build woodworking projects easily, quickly, and inexpensively. The entire Teds Woodworking package includes more than 16,000 woodworking projects and plans that you can work on. The best part is everything is provided for you in clear step-by-step instructions, so you'll be able to easily follow and understand regardless of your skill level. Now, before buying the product, I would like to highlight that Teds Woodworking comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the product, you can get a full refund within 60 days with no questions asked. Alright, now let's proceed to scroll down and click the Add to Cart button. After that is a ClickBank payment page. Now if you've never heard of ClickBank, it's something like PayPal. It is the middleman between the seller and buyer, protects your financial information, and ensures you receive what you purchased. I've now entered my credit card information, which has been blurred out by the way. Then I just click the Pay Now button. I now see the confirmation page, which is where I can proceed and click the Complete Your Order button to confirm the purchase. Alright, now I have access to the members area where I can just click on the link to save the woodworking project. Now I'm going to show you one of the woodworking projects so you have an idea of what's included. As you can see, there's a picture of the completed project so you know exactly what you'll be building and how it looks. You will also be provided with a detailed blueprint that has all the measurements, a material list, and clear step-by-step instructions teaching you how to build everything. This is definitely a wide variety of woodworking plans and projects included in Teds Woodworking, and I'll leave you to browse through them on your own. Also included in Teds Woodworking package are detailed guides teaching you various important techniques and skills related to woodworking. Let me give you a preview of your guide teaching you how to bleach wood to lighten it and also remove stains. As you can see, you're given step-by-step instructions together with a diagram teaching you how to perform the task. You're also provided with a list of items and tools required so you'll know what to prepare. Another great part of Ted's Woodworking package that I will share with you is its many woodworking related videos by veteran woodworkers. You'll be able to learn step-by-step how to build various woodworking projects from these videos. Let me give a preview of one of those videos.
If you like watching birds up close, there's an easy way to attract them right to your yard. If you build them a feeder, they will come. You'll need wood. I like rough sawn cedar, 2 pieces of plexiglass, dowel rod, a couple of hinges, and nails or wood screws. Following the instructions, carefully measure and cut out the 10 pieces of wood.
If you love woodworking projects, I really think that you should check out Teds Woodworking. It is certainly a comprehensive package, providing you with a huge variety of projects and plans you can work on. You'll be able to build tables, bookcases, cupboards, chests, benches, chairs, swings, and many more. So if you're interested, do visit the official website of Teds Woodworking for more details. Do some research and make your own conclusion if this is the product for you. I wish you all the best in your woodworking projects.
By showing you what's inside the program, it's time for you to make a decision whether the program is right for you. One final thing. At lookinsideandbuy.com, we're in business as an affiliate marketer and recommend products for which we earn a commission. If you decide to purchase any products through our links, we'll get a commission, but at absolutely no expense to you. If you do so, we really appreciate it. We hope that this disclosure demonstrates our intent to run an honest and reputable business. It's time to take action. Click on the link below. This is Jonathan, signing off.